Love at first sight, when I looked in those eyes all those years ago. Trips to Virginia so Grandma could meet you, to starting a family of our own. A few years later, a couple hairs grayer, you're still my favorite one to hold. 'Cause 25 years is pretty good, but I think we could do better. I want a couple more chilly nights, cuddled up in our favorite sweaters. These old tires got a few more miles left to drive this coast. Holding your hand, living life is what I come to love the most. What I come to love the most.